This is how to link SMART. Think about a syllabus that you create and all the different places a syllabus might live. It may live on your learning management system. It may live on your website. It may also have been emailed out to students or department coordinators. The challenges with that are you might have changes that come in later on, or we all know we're going to teach a class in the future that'll have some differences in its syllabus. It can be really frustrating then to deal with those changes when your syllabus, for example, lives in so many different places. That's where this module comes in. Let's talk about how to link SMART. Here's how I approach it. I use a service called Dropbox. Dropbox lets me store my files in the cloud. In the cloud is an expression which means in the internet. Then I can link to them easily and also have them accessible to me in lots of different places, such as on my phone, on my tablet, and on my computer. So just like many of you, I've got a syllabus here, BUSN 114, and I've got 3 different versions of it from 3 different semesters. I always want to have access to the archives of old semesters I've taught this class in case I need to bring them up again. Here's an example of a current syllabus folder. So I've got all of these Word documents with the dates on the end of the file name. And I've got my current Word versions that I can make changes to and then publish as a PDF. So I have an archives folder up here at the top too, where I can go in and see older semesters where I've taught the same class and look at those Word documents. Notice that the Word document had in the file name the date indicated in it, or the semester in which I was teaching the class. Notice that the PDF files did not have any date associated with it. I want, in this case, BUSN114.pdf to always be the file that lives in the cloud, that lives on my Dropbox for the current semester. Next semester, I'll have next semester's Word documents that I'll make changes to after doing the Save As, and I'll publish it and overwrite this semester's BUSN 114. That means it'll get deleted and get replaced with the new semester's syllabus. So here's an example. At the top here, I've got the Word document for BUSN 108 with the date. I make those changes. I do Save As. I never delete that file. But when I publish it as a PDF, it gets rid of the old BUSN 108 and replaces it with the new one. But the nice thing is the link to that file never has to change. It stays the same. So every semester I never have to update it on my website. I never have to update it over emails. I never have to update it on my learning management system. It always reflects the current semester's syllabus. So all those different places that it's been published, I never have to go back and upload another file because I never uploaded anything. I just linked back to that PDF that lives on in my Dropbox that it's been linked to. How do you share a link from Dropbox? It's really easy. You right-click on it and choose Share Dropbox Link. So that PDF file that lives in my Dropbox folder, I right-click and choose Share Dropbox Link, and it copies it to my clipboard. Then I can paste it wherever I want to. I can paste it in an email, I can paste it on a website, or in this case, I can paste it in our learning management system. We use Moodle, but it works similarly in other learning management systems. I click Turn Editing On, add a resource, URL. I give that URL a name, maybe it's syllabus, for example, a description, and then I paste the link I just copied from Dropbox into the external URL box. I like to have my URLs open in pop-up windows, but that's completely your choice. You could also just leave the default there. And then I save and return to course. And now what lives on our learning management system is not a file, but a link to a file. So that later on, next semester, when I go and edit it in Microsoft Word, publish it to PDF, those links that are out there are still current. They're still the right links, and I never have to go back into the new semester's class and make any changes. It saves a bunch of time. That was Link Smart.